what's up guys, it's Brian here. Nevada, shut that music. I lost my fidget spinners last 2 weeks and my brother took them away from me. And I don't know why he said he hid outside. So we're here at my house, try to find them, and yeah. So like this video, subscribe. I'm gonna give away some fidget spinners. 30 fidget spinners giveaway. Give away 30 fidget spinners. Subscribe,
so
like,
over
and
there,
I'll push the description below. And yeah, here's my friend, guys. That's my friend. That's my sister, and that's my sister.
Why is it turned sideways? You should like turn it around.
Kind of like it like that. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put my shoes on and I'll be back. Yep, guys, and I'm back. Yeah.
Wait, I should put this one and I'm gonna name it Cartwheels.
Yeah, my friend here. What's up, sis? And yeah, so trying to look for my fidget spinners. It's of course not gonna be there. Nope. I'll be back, guys. And we have this. It sucks. Going down to the floor. Nope, it's not it. Yeah, there's a tree there. And, so, wait, maybe they're in here. Maybe it's under here. Wait, yeah, I found them. I found one. It looks kind of rusty. It does look kind of rusty, guys. Yeah, and my friend is trying to learn Spanish, but she will never learn Spanish. I did find one fidget spinner. Okay. So far we have one fidget spinner, guys. Dang, it's really sunny. I'm taking a break. I'm tired. I don't know how many hours I've been waiting for this. So I like to. But nobody will like Spanish. Wait. Yeah. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. Hi! And
Found a fidget spinner.
I found the other one. I'm just kidding. I just had for the rest of my life.
Adios.
I'm giving away 30 fidget spinners, guys. And I finally found the first one, right? The red one?
Yeah.
Can't believe I found it. It literally only takes like 5 seconds. Well, it takes a lot of seconds to find one.
Rush!
My brother did hide them, but I found it. But I found it now, and yeah, guys. I love his rocks. I love his rocks.
Follow me!
Nobody will want to face. Follow me on Snapchat, Brian Martinez. I'll try to put it right here. Right here. I'll try to put it right here. And on Musically, I'm gonna put up here and my Instagram right here. And yeah, guys. So follow me, subscribe, like.
And then
comment
we're gonna
down
go
below.
live later.
And we're gonna do live later.
Musically.
And see you guys there. Remember, 30 fidget spinners giveaway. If you subscribe, have one here, 30 inside the house, and 30 at school because I have like 30 of these. Yeah, it comes with that burns right there. Like I'm gonna give you like one of these and like one of these quad and 30 of these. I know mine looks rusty, but I won't give you this one or this one. You guys are gonna get a new one. And 30 giveaways. Remember, 30 giveaways of fidget spinners. And please like this video, guys. And see you in my next vlog. See ya.